punchy too.
Yeah, it's got that punch. Yeah,
it does.
Yeah,
It's got that.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Is your lithium underneath?
Yeah, lithium. You can't see it, but behind this.
Okay, that looks good.
He built this entire.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I love it. Yeah. Sorry, man. This is part of the system. So.
Yeah, definitely.
All right.
Just off the press that we so dearly depend on. I need your love to live on.
It's not finished yet. A beauty panel is going across here, but yeah.
All right.
Base head problem.
Oh, is it? It's way easier to hear everything you say for your moment.
Oh yeah.
Wow, I really like this.
Appreciate
You have a split box build here, so you
No.
split two pieces, or was that just?
That's how he built. That's a beauty panel.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
beauty panel.
Okay.
It's actually a real box back there,
Yeah.
but it's under it. It's a beauty panel going
Wow,
across it.
that looks amazing, man. It's flush all the way
But yeah,
down.
he deleted the windows.
Uh-huh.
Deleted because he didn't want that pressure. You know,
Yeah.
that pressure coming. Yeah.
That is a really good job. Wow. So, what is your name? What's in here, man?
Andrew, I have two XV3 Sundowns. I have a 20K going to them. I got two 12K lithiums, two 370 amp alternators. I got two 220.4s on each door, and then I got the little avatar head that's going to the tweeter. Yeah.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Very good job. How big is your box in the tuning? Do you know?
The tuning is at a 32.
Okay.
I'm not sure what the ratio of the box is.
Yeah.
But yeah, I know my port is tuned at 32.
There you go. Did you ever have the subs mounted regular first, or has it always been inverted?
When we started, it's always been this way. We was
Really?
kind of iffy because we didn't know what class I would be in, but
Yeah.
through the guidelines, I'm still in the wall.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right. I like it. Well, you have the wall panel right here underneath the sub.
Yeah.
The panel looks really nice.
Yeah, he did it perfect,
Yeah.
man. He did it perfect.
Nice job.
That's awesome.
Shout out. Anything else you want to say on cameras?
Oh yeah, no doubt, man. I'm AJ, treasurer of team Baseline.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Everybody give him a like.
Sub's still kind of new. I kind of just passed the break-in stage a little
Yes,
bit.
sir.
Still smell that little bit of
A little bit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. I'd love to hear it.
All right. Yes, sir. What you want? Your window down or my window down?
Whatever you want. Musical. If it's windy or whatever you want to play.
She gets a little window.
All
She
right.
gets a little window.
Yeah, man.
Let's try some of this reggae here. that hair move a little bit
Okay.
more.
All right. I really like it. It's punchy too.
Yeah, it's got that punch. Yeah,
it does.
yeah,
It's got that punch to it. Yeah.
That's a good hair trick song right
Yeah, appreciate it. Well, look, with both windows being down. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you did a really good job. I really
Yeah,
appreciate
man.
it.
Appreciate
Nice to
you,
meet
my
you,
man. Yes, sir.
Shout out. Anything else you want to say on cameras?
Oh, yeah, no doubt, man. I'm AJ, treasurer of Team Baseline.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Everybody give him a like.